Have you ever considered Brazilian waxing as more than just a beauty treatment? It's a self-care ritual that offers transformation. Today, we'll show you how it can change your relationship with your body. For years, waxing was all about beauty norms. But in 2025, a shift is happening. More people are embracing it as a wellness journey. It's about feeling confident, clean, and in control. The transformation begins before you enter the salon. Gently exfoliate and keep your skin hydrated beforehand. Set a calming atmosphere, think soft music and pleasant scents. What you consume also impacts your experience. Hydrated skin means a smoother waxing process. Finding the right esthetician is crucial. Choose someone who makes you feel safe and understood. They can guide you through breathing techniques. What might feel uncomfortable can turn into a calming moment. Some say waxing feels meditative, helping them reconnect with their bodies. Aftercare is essential for lasting results. Use soothing balms and cooling compresses on your skin. Wear loose, breathable clothing for easier recovery. Simple self-affirmations help you appreciate your body. It's more than just smooth skin, it's a refreshed glow. Waxing is no longer merely a beauty habit. It's about feeling good and making intentional choices for yourself. That confidence boost you feel when you leave. It comes from taking care of yourself in a powerful way. Next time you think of Brazilian waxing, think beyond the surface. It's a transformative self-care practice for your mind and body. If you found this insightful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tips to uplift your daily wellness routine. Share this video with a friend who deserves some self-care love too.